I would like to show you a bench in this video. I'd like to show you a bench. You know, a bench is a piece of furniture. Furniture. For example, a table is a piece of furniture. Or a chair. A chair is also a piece of furniture. This is a table. This is a chair. A table, a chair. This is not a bench. It is a table. This is not a bench either. It's not a bench either. Or it's not a bench either. It is a chair. But I'm looking for a bench. Is that a bench? No, it is not. And what is it? What is that? It is an armchair. An armchair. A chair. An armchair. Look at this man. He's sitting in an armchair. This is his arm. This is his hand, but this is his arm. A hand, an arm, a chair, an armchair. He's sitting in an armchair. He's not sitting on a bench. And now look at this man. What is this man doing? What's he doing? He's sitting on a bench. Finally, you see a bench. This is a bench. And this is a man sitting on a bench.